Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I'll be reviewing the TPS Pair Hedging EA for MT4, and we'll go through the MQL5 Marketplace page. We'll break down the key features, look at the recommended trading setup, review the historical backtesting information, and then go over the results and overall performance considerations. Now, before we get started, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Right away on the marketplace page, I can see that TPS Pair Hedging EA is developed by Gopal Goswami and is listed as an MT4 expert advisor. The current version shown here is 2.5 with 5 activations available, and it is priced at $250. The description includes, it introduces this EA as a pair trading and hedging solution designed to work with correlated currency movements. The idea here is that instead of focusing on a single instrument, the system analyzes relationships between multiple pairs and tries to manage exposure through hedging logic. Now, looking at the supported instruments, the EA is designed to operate across a fairly wide list, including Euro USD, Euro AUD, Euro GBP, GBP USD, USD CHF, USD CAD, and XAUUSD. The recommended time frame shown is M5, and the developer also notes a minimum equity requirement of $1,000. Another important instruction on the page is that the EA is designed to run across all 7 pairs simultaneously, and it automatically starts hedging across them. All right. Now, that gives us an idea of how the system is intended to be deployed in a multi-pair environment rather than a single chart setup. Now, moving into the core description, the developer explains that the EA uses an algorithm to identify correlation and divergence patterns. From a practical perspective, this means the system is not just reacting to one chart, but instead evaluating relationships across a group of instruments. Another point mentioned is dynamic hedging. The EA adjusts its hedging approach based on market conditions, aiming to continuously balance exposure as prices move. This suggests that the trade management is not static, but evolves as market conditions change. We also see automation emphasized heavily. The EA is designed to execute a strategy automatically, which means once it is configured across the required pairs, it manages execution without manual intervention. All right. This is particularly relevant given that it operates across multiple charts simultaneously. Risk control is another major focus in the description. The developer mentions customizable parameters that allow traders to adjust risk exposure according to their own tolerance. This means users have some flexibility in how aggressively or conservatively the system behaves, depending on their settings. There is also mention of a user-friendly interface, which suggests that the EA is designed to be accessible without requiring coding knowledge. This is important because multi-pair systems can often become complex, but the developer is positioning this as a more streamlined experience. Now let us transition into the backtesting section. Before evaluating performance, it is important to highlight the recommended structure again. The EA is designed for M5, all right, M5 time frame trading across a basket of major FX pairs and XAUUSD. So any historical testing should ideally reflect that multi-pair environment for a more realistic evaluation. Okay, when reviewing historical backtesting results, I always like to focus on behavior over time rather than just isolated outcomes. Longer testing periods are generally more reliable because they expose the system to different market cycles, volatility conditions, and correlation changes between pairs. Okay, I can see that here the 2022 results is showing different percentage increases over the months. Okay, with November 2022 being the largest increase in 2022, and then going to 2023. Okay, this shows input settings. All right, this basically shows the EA in action. All right, so let's head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how the TPS Pair Hedging EA performed on Euro USD on the M5 time frame over the past 3 months using the every tick modeling. We are testing from 22nd March to 22nd June 2026. All right, looking at the report, initial deposit was $10,000. Total net profit was just $93.06. The total trades taken were 166, out of which 145 were profitable, giving us an 87.35% win rate. Largest profit was $11.26. Largest loss was $25.80. Average profit was $1.52, and the average loss was $6.03. So this means that the average risk to reward ratio was bad. It was really bad. You can see the difference between the average profit and the average loss. Okay, so let's just turn on the visuals so that we can also see the EA in action. Meanwhile, 3 months is really not enough to make a conclusion about how good the EA is, right? So I will actually recommend that if you are really interested in this EA, you want to run it over a longer period of time so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. All right, so looking at the historical chart behavior, what stands out is the interaction between multiple instruments being managed under a single strategy framework. Since the EA is built around pair relationships and hedging logic, the way trades appear across the tested period gives insight into how exposure is being balanced rather than just directional trading on a single symbol. All right, but I can see here that this information shows basically the information about the testing, and it includes the name, account, broker, balance, equity margin, fee margin, and all of that, right? And then symbol is euro USD. Okay, so this seems like the EA probably can work on a single symbol, right? Based on what I can see here, because if it was actually working across multiple symbols at the same time, despite me adding it to a single symbol, perhaps we might have seen those multiple symbols mentioned here, right? But I can see that just a single symbol that was mentioned, the one that I actually attached the EA to, even though this is backtesting though. Okay, but let's just proceed, considering all that we have seen so far on the marketplace page, right? The strategy appears to rely heavily on correlated movement analysis. So during periods where pairs move in alignment or divergence, we might be able to observe how positions are adjusted or hedged to maintain balance across the basket, right? Now, when we look at historical backtest results, it is important to clearly frame this as historical testing performance only. These results reflect how the EA behaved under past market conditions, but they should not be interpreted as guaranteed future performance. All right, performance can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot size configuration, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, and how accurately the EA is deployed across all required pairs simultaneously. Because of that, optimization and forward testing become very important steps before considering any live application. Overall, the TPS Pair Hedging EA presents itself as a multi-pair hedging system focused on correlation-based trading across FX pairs and gold. It offers automation, multi-instrument analysis, and configurable risk management within a structured trading framework. As always, the most important step is to test and optimize it under your own conditions before considering live trading. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next review.